Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in pet products. Today, we're diving into the world of pet doors with a focus on the best pet flap large replacement dog door. If you're a pet owner looking for the ultimate solution to keep your furry friend comfortable and secure, you're in the right place. Introducing the best pet flap large replacement dog door, the ultimate replacement flap designed to fit Petsafe doors perfectly. Let's break down why this product stands out from the rest. First off, what makes this flap the best choice for your Petsafe door?
Well, it's all about the quality.
This flap is made from premium materials using technology from the medical and food service industries, ensuring durability and longevity. And here's the kicker: it's environmentally friendly. Unlike other flaps on the market, this one is PVC free and BPA free, making it safer for your pet and better for the environment. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This replacement flap is specifically designed to fit Petsafe Freedom aluminum, plastic, wall entry, and sliding glass doors.
Plus, it's super easy to install.
When it comes to performance, this flap does not disappoint. It's weather-resistant, energy-efficient, and less prone to shrinkage compared to other flaps.
Plus, it features a single magnet bar on the bottom for added security.
Now, let's talk about the benefits of upgrading to the best pet flap large replacement dog door. Say goodbye to constantly replacing flaps. With its durable construction, this flap will outlast the original flap that came with your door, saving you time and money in the long run. Keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. This flap is designed to minimize drafts and keep cold air out, helping to reduce your heating and cooling costs.
Most importantly, this flap provides peace of mind.
You can trust that your pet will have easy access to the outdoors while staying safe and secure indoors. So, there you have it, the best pet flap large replacement dog door, the ultimate solution for pet owners who want the best for their furry friends. Upgrade your Petsafe door today and experience the difference for yourself.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy pet parenting.